Hey, what's up guys, it's Theyo from Film Concept, and these are the two weirdest camera phone accessories you can get right now. But considering the size, are they any good? Well, let's find out then. Now, in case you didn't really get what they are in the thumbnail of this video, we have a microscope and a telescope. Now, let's kick things off with the microscope. It came in this carrying pouch, which is decent, I guess. It's completely made of plastic, just as the internals, except for the glass parts, of course. It is rated to give you a 60 times zoom as seen here. I guess the main purpose to get something like this is for currency detection or gold or jewelry inspection. Other than that, I don't really think there's any use for this. It comes with 3 LED up front, which are white lights on both ends and blue lights in the middle. It runs on 3 AAA CMOS battery, the one you typically see in a wristwatch, but the actual name is LR1130 AAA button cell in case you want to purchase one afterwards. The blue light makes it easier to see things that may not be too visible with the naked eye. And as you may have already guessed, you can't use both the white light and blue light at the same time. The lens also comes with this phone clip to help attach it to your cell phone with ease. The clip is firm and stiff enough, so yeah, no issues of it falling here. Now with all that said and done, let's see how it performs in a real life scenario. I have these little toy cars as my subject for today. I'm also using the 2 white lights for this. And as you can see, we can get some really close-up shots of just about anything. I also took pictures of my table mats with both the white and blue lights. Let me know which one you think looks cooler. You know what, let's play a game. I'll throw up a bunch of random close-up shots of items, then you are going to guess what item it is. Spoiler alert, you are going to get most of them wrong. Here's the first picture. You can feel free to pause, then comment below what you think it is. You done? Well, if you guessed fabrics, you are not entirely wrong. It's actually a thread. Did you guess a Rubik's Cube? No, I guess not. How about this one? The eye of a toy bird? Now, since I don't want you to lose in all of it, let's throw this one up there. I'm sure you all know what this is. Next up, let's talk about the telescope. This is an 8x zoom, which is quite small and pocketable. It comes with 2 lens covers, both made of plastic, of course. On the side is the focus turner. It looks quite similar to the zoom ring on a zoom camera lens, but it's just for focus. And unlike the zoom camera lens, which allows you to change how far or close a subject can be, you're just stuck with 8S throughout. Just like the microscope, this also comes with a phone clip, but this type is detachable from the lens. What you do is you screw it on when you need it and unscrew it when you are done. I'll have mine sitting on the main camera lens so I can get the best possible quality images and videos. Now, I know it makes the phone lose cool and all, but here are some photos and video samples. This is how images look without the lens at 1x, 2x, 4x and 8 times zoom, using the phone's own digital zoom on the camera app. Now, this is how it looks when we put on the telescope at 1x, 2x, 4x and 8x. This is also how it looks on the main lens, and when we put on the telescope, we also get some vignetting at the edges of the pictures. So you may have to zoom in a little bit in each shot just to get rid of it. Either that or you just shoot in 1:1 aspect ratio. Now, as you may have already noticed, the image quality isn't as great as what they've advertised on their website. But if you are interested in getting something you can play with, I guess this is something you can go for. They also said that you can actually look through the lens with your naked eye. I don't think this thing is possible, but they say you can do it, but I don't think it's possible. For videos, this is how it looks, and as you can see, there is a lot of shaking in this. I'm not really surprised. It typically happens with most zoom lenses, even with digital cameras. If there's no form of image stabilization, zoomed in images are always going to shake, even with the slightest movement. So with smartphones like the Oppo Find X3, which comes with a microscope built in, do you need something like this? And with good smartphone cameras like the Samsung S21 Ultra and the iPhone 13 with the 10x and 15x zoom respectively, do you need something like this? Well, for less than 50 Ghana cedis on any of them, if you're someone who just wants to have fun with your smartphone and don't want to purchase the high end just to get zoom or very close-up shots, then this is definitely for you. Not everyone, including myself, is willing to pay 8,000 Ghana cedis for a smartphone or for features on a smartphone camera which they are not going to be using on a daily basis. So in that case, I'll get something like this. If I want to get zoomed in shots, I can just put this in my bag, go to wherever I want, take those pictures and come back home. If I want to get extreme close-ups of my fingernails or something like that, I can use this, and basically that's it. I don't have to carry it along when I don't need it, only when I need it. But then again, if you have extreme money in your pocket or money is not an issue for you, then you can go with the expensive phones with the built-in camera accessories. Those ones, they are already part of your phone, so you don't even have to worry about carrying something like this in your pockets at any point in time. So basically that's it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and other channels which I have them linked below, and as always, don't forget to share with your family and friends. This is Theyo from Concept, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.